No fewer than 90 students were hospitalized in Ijebu Ode following another incident of an unknown dangerous substance suspected to have filtered into the environment. Fatima Asano visited Ijebu Ode General Hospital, and some of the affected schools report that students from 4 different schools in the town were affected by the incident. Her report.
Panic erupted again at the General Hospital Ijebu Ode as parents, teachers and sympathizers from within and outside Ijebu Ode besieged the hospital over students rushed into the facility after allegedly inhaling dangerous chemical substances. The affected students, numbering over 90, were drawn from 4 secondary schools, including Our Lady of Apostles Secondary School, Anglican Church Girls Grammar School, Obalende, and 2 other private secondary schools in the town.
My child is one of the victims affected by the incident, and the doctors have been attending to them along with the other victims, providing the necessary medical care and support.
Addressing parents shortly after visiting the students, the State Commissioner for Education, Science and Technology, Professor Abayomi Aribabu, and the General Manager, Ogun State Environmental Protection Agency, OGEPA, Mr. Kehinde Bello, assured parents and guardians not to panic, saying the situation was under control. They added that health and environmental experts would continue investigations into the incident.
We are very sorry for what happened, and I'm begging all the parents and guardians to please allow the doctors and nurses to do their job. More so, we have been working hand to hand with the Ministry of Environment and other agencies to provide a lasting solution to this incident.
I've been here since 8 o'clock when I heard the news. Well, we are really sorry and we are really working on it. And I've been to the school, I visited the school. We have some equipment there, which I can see that one of the equipment is really high, that something is happening real. And I've been to the hospital right now too. I've seen them, but thank God everybody are in good health now. The doctors are really trying their best. They are taking good care of them, and I promise we'll find solution to this right away.
The Chief Medical Director of the hospital, Dr. Banjo Adeoye, who spoke off camera, also assured parents and guardians of the hospital readiness to manage the situation, noting that adequate personnel and facilities were available to take care of the affected students. It could be recalled that a similar incident occurred about a month ago, affecting over 30 students and 1 staff members of Our Lady of Apostles Grammar School, Ijebu Ode. In Ijebu Ode, Fatima Hassan, NTA News.